rewrite the following in standard form. You know, in standard form, I will be short. In standard form, you have to write the question. Like question is 1168 into 10 power minus 27. You have to change it into standard form. Standard form mean in scientific notation. So I have explained to you how to convert the number into scientific notation. Every number contain decimal here. If it is not, here is a decimal. I will shift this decimal from here to this first non-zero digit. 1 is first non-zero digit. When I place here 1.168 into 10 power, I will multiply with power 3. Why I have multiplied with power 3? Because I have shifted 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3. So that's why I will multiply 10 power positive 3. When we shift the decimal from our right to left, positive power 3, we take the number power as positive. So that's why I have taken plus 3. Now I will simplify only. Minus 27 plus 3. Bases are same. We will subtract 3 from 27. So answer is minus 24. So this is the question in our standard form. Now remaining B and C part you will do. I will do the D part, and remaining you can do easily. Okay student, D part is 0.02 into 10 power minus 8. So again you can see 0, when you change into scientific notation, the decimal should be after the first non-zero number. So 2 is non-zero. I will shift this point here. So when I write here, I will write 0 for spacing. And then 10 power, how many numbers I have shifted? 1 and 2. I will multiply with power of minus 2 and 10 power minus 8. Why I have multiplied minus 2? Because I have shifted now decimal from my left to right. When decimal is shifted from left to right, power is always in minus. So that's why I have written minus 2. Now these 0 are meaningless. I will write only 2.0 into 10 power minus 10. Minus 8 plus minus 2 give us minus 10. So I can also write 2 into 10 power minus 10. So this is the answer. Okay student, next question. 1.5, the question is same, standard form. You have to convert all these numbers in scientific notation or in standard form, but only difference is they have given you here a unit only, but the question is same, means you have to change this into standard form. Okay, again if you want to change into scientific notation, clearly decimal is here. I will shift this decimal to this place because this is the first non-zero element. When I place here decimal, how many numbers I have shifted it? 1, 2 and 3. So I will multiply 10 power 3 and also write the unit because they have given us unit. Why I have written now positive 3? Because I have shifted the decimal from my right to left. When we shift the decimal from right to left, multiply 10 power positive 3. So I can skip these 2 0 because they are meaningless. So this will be my answer, 6.4 into 10 power 3. So likewise students, you can do B and C part as your homework. They are also very simple and easy. I will do the last one. Last part is seconds in a day. You have to change now seconds in a day. Seconds in a day. What is meant by this question? This question is how many seconds in a day? The question you have to understand first. How many seconds in a day? So you know in a day how many seconds. So clearly in a day how many hours first? 24 hours. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. And how many minutes in hours? 60 minutes. And how many seconds? Because you have to convert this day into seconds. So it means you will multiply further with 60 and convert it into second. S for second, unit of second, denoted by symbol S. So now when you multiply this 24, 60 into 60, you will get the answer 60 into 60 into 24. 86400, 86400, 86400 second. So it means this would be your answer, 86400 second, but you have to convert it into standard form. So again decimal is here, decimal is here, you have to shift this decimal to first non-zero digit, like 8, 8.64 into 10 power how many power, 1 2 3 and 4, 10 power 4 seconds. So it would be the answer. I have skipped these two zeros because they are meaningless now. So this would be the answer, 8.64 into 10 power 4 second. This is the answer in a second. So first understand this question. Second in a day mean how many seconds are in a day. First you have to change day into seconds, then convert that second into standard form, means scientific notation. So I think it's enough for today.